Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'll show you a very flavorful masala crab curry that's extremely delectable and absolutely divine. Let's go. I have live blue crabs and I'll show you how to clean them. Flip them over so they can't bite you. Be very careful and break the claws. Once they are out, you are safe to clean the rest. Do the rest similarly. Now break the legs off. You can also use safety gloves if you like. Clean the body with water before proceeding further. Start by discarding the abdominal parts. Be careful as the shell has spikes. Follow the steps as I have shown you. Discard these. Separate the shell from the body by pulling it apart. Discard the gills as we don't want them in the curry. Clean the rest similarly. Now this is the good part. Take the fatty pulp out of the shell and place it over the clean body. Discard the empty shell. Wash off the dirt from the body before working further. Once all cleaned and separated, we will keep the claws, the legs and the body separately. Here I am marinating the body with some everyday spices and seasonings. Season well as per your taste. Apply the turmeric and the salt evenly to the bodies. Once that's done, mix the claws and set aside for 20 minutes to marinate until we do the rest of the preparations. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. We will grind the legs with water to make a thick paste. This gives most of the flavor to the finished curry. We will grind these and strain the thick pulp. You can grind the legs and strain 2 to 3 times until all the pulp is extracted. Let's make the masala paste. These are basic herbs that give flavor to the curry. Here you can substitute any other masala that you like if kolhapuri masala is not available. We will blend this to a thick paste. Now for the main curry, all these ingredients do their part to impart their flavor into the curry. We will fry the onions until golden and then add the masala paste that we made earlier. Saute for a couple of minutes. Now let's add the marinated claws and body and mix well. Time to add the leg crush pulp. This also thickens the curry eventually. You can also add some water if you like more curry as per your taste. Once it comes to a boil, we will cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, look at the beautiful color and the aroma is amazing. Add some coconut milk to thicken the gravy and we are almost done. If you like my recipes, go ahead and click the subscribe button for such amazing recipes I post every week. Allow the coconut milk to integrate into the curry on low flame. some lemon juice and coriander leaves for garnish, and we are ready to serve this mouth-watering crab curry. You can cook uncovered if you want a thicker curry. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.